In this video we are going to be analysing HKD, so to get straight into it, firstly usually we would use this longer term time frame to get further out levels, but if you're trading this stock you're more looking, I imagine, for day trades or very short swings. So really the key focus in this is going to be onto the 10-day and the 20-day chart, and what you can start seeing is now we are falling. We obviously have been falling the last few days, and really that key focus is coming into this $71 support. So really that would be the key focus. We are more likely than not going to continue down to at least $71 to around $68, because this would be our first deviation on both the 10-day and the 20-day chart. So seeing that, yeah, we're at $80. We may pull back to around 83, which would take us to into the 10 SMA. But really, overall, we would expect a continue to fall to at least $72 in the near future. By that, we mean this week. Now, if we break that and we did continue down, really, we would have quite a sharp sell-off expectation, as our targets would be around $12. Obviously, very far off from where we are now, and probably actually not all that realistic, at least in the near term. So really, the key focus would be then our 52-week low at around $45, and then really it'd just be the key psychological levels. So $50, $40, $30, $20, and even the $60, which would be in between. Now, on the other hand, if you're more bullish on the stock, or you think there's going to be some sort of a bounce and you want to know close resistance targets, then what would we be paying attention to? And really, our closest resistance is around 130 to around 125. So if you're expecting a bounce, this is where we would expect it to do, kind of go. But really, in all realistic, this stock, if it moves, it's moving on hype to the upside. So that's only one of the things to be cautious. If you are buying this, you have to be willing to lose the money, or at least a significant amount of it, because more likely than not, it is a stock that's just going to continue to fade. We see this time and time again. You saw it on AMC, you saw it on GameStop, you see it on all these stocks. They just fade because there is no fundamental value in these stocks. It's all hype. So really the key thing is, if you were shorting it, pay attention to those downwards targets. Really, we would never say buy this stock and go long, because it's not probably a good stock to be investing in. But if you're long for any reason, you're bag holding and you don't want to cut losses for any reason, then if you are expecting a pump and that's when you want to get out really around the 125 and the 130 is what we would be paying attention to over here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on Bluebird, ticker Blue.